How to delete a published post on Hootsuite. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a published post on Hootsuite. So to get started, go ahead and open Hootsuite into your preferred browser and then sign into your Hootsuite account. So you'll be able to find the published post under the plan tab, and then in here, go ahead and select that specific published post that you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this published post that I have under this date. So to be able to delete this permanently, you need to view it on that specific social media account where you've published it. So you cannot delete it directly on Hootsuite. As you can see, you can only duplicate it. But to delete it, you need to open that specific social media platform where you have published it, and then click on the three dots at the top right of the post, and then select delete post under that, and then confirm deleting this post. And that is how you can basically delete publish posts on Hootsuite. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.